fluffy and moist sponge cake. Squishy to the touch and irresistible to the palate. Carefully separate 4 eggs. Always work with eggs at room temperature. Add vanilla and salt to the egg yolks and whisk in lightly. To whisk the egg whites, work your speed from low to medium-high until completely frothy. Then very slowly add the sugar while whisking at medium-high speed. Whisk the egg whites until you get stiff peaks. Very slowly add the yolks to the egg whites while whisking on a low speed. Keep on whisking until all egg parts are well blended. Sift 1/3 of the flour at a time. This will help you keep all the air created from the whisking of the eggs. Very gently fold in the flour to the batter. In a separate bowl, add the milk and vegetable oil. Then add a small part of the butter and fold in gently. Carefully add it to the larger mix, folding gently to keep all the air in. Swirl in wooden stick to help you pop any bubbles. The perfect sponge cake in a rose flour mold. I chose to decorate this fluffy and light sponge cake with powdered sugar only, but you can use any other glazings, jams or custard creams. Perfectly squishy cake. So yummy! Check this perfect texture.